In this video, I'll show you how to make fern stitch. I'll be using 2 strands of 30 centimetres of DMC Moulinet Special stranded embroidery thread, an embroidery needle, a piece of cotton fabric, an embroidery hoop, and a pair of sharp embroidery scissors. Fern stitch is a simple stitch that uses 3 straight stitches of the same length that are fanned out to make a fern shape. It's a lovely decorative stitch that's ideal for leaves and branches. Start by making a vertical stitch. This will set the length for all other stitches. Now make a second stitch angled out to one side, bringing your needle down through the same hole that was created at the bottom of your first stitch. Make the third stitch on the other side, leaning out at the same angle and sharing the same hole at the bottom of the first stitch. You can finish the stitch here or continue making more fern stitches on top of each other to make the shape longer.